This is a very blurry cam, but I am here at 10:57 p.m. making a video on Pacific time. So yeah, but today it's going to be an OKC Thunder and Sacramento King preview. So let's just get into it. What I mean by a preview is I'm going to talk about both games. They played each other. I have my newspaper, Seattle Times, alongside me. The Thunder are 22 and 24. Who would ever think that? And what if I told you in the beginning of the season that the Sacramento Kings would be the best team in their division? Yes, the Sacramento Kings, the best team in their division after not even making the playoffs for 20 years or something like that? 19, 20 years, I forgot. But why? There has to be some reason why in the world are the Sacramento Kings doing this good? And so I've done some research here. De'Aaron Fox and Domantas Sabonis playing great. Domantas, 18.8 points per game. Nothing too flashy yet. 12.6 rebounds per game. And listen to this. I won't believe that you would say this. But a power forward does not name like LeBron James or Kevin Garnett, or maybe even Giannis, has 7.3 assists. How rarely do we come off that? And De'Aaron Fox, well, he's averaging 24.2 points per game, 4.3 rebounds per game. Very solid for a point guard. He is perfect. And he averages 6 assists per game. I probably am going to be blinking a lot because I'm tired. What would you expect? I'm sitting here at 11 p.m. Obviously, when it is uploaded, it will be a lot past 11 p.m. Maybe even midnight somehow. It shouldn't be midnight. I don't think it will be midnight. It'll be something like 11:30 or something, like 11:20. So, back to this. How in the world can this team be this good? What in the world is Harrison Barnes putting up? How in the world? He must have some thing to do with this. He's doing a pretty solid job. 15.5 points, 5 rebounds, 1.7 assists. And in that win against that Thunder's team, he put up 11 points. Corey put up 29. Great. Sabonis put up 18. 25 for Fox. And W. I think that this is a team that can make a push in the playoffs. I know. No one would have thought that the Kings, out of all teams, were going to be this good. Here we are, talking about them in a YouTube video. At the start of the season, I never knew that I was going to be talking, or at the start of I started making videos again, I never knew I was going to be talking about these two teams, but I am. And the Thunder, this is not too hard to understand. Why in the world are they this good? See, it's gotta be, this is this isn't an amazing team, but guys, finally, excuse me, finally, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander is showing that why he should be one of the best players in the league. Shai is actually was way better than what we thought. It was in the Oklahoma City Thunder. Yeah. But he's averaging 30.6 points rate, 4.8 rebounds, 5.5 assists on a not title contending, a team that can make the playoffs. But that's a big ask because they just got the number 2 overall pick. Plus, they just Chet Holmgren, who was that? If you probably for some reason didn't know that, he was the number 2 pick. He got injured by LeBron James. Just driving in a crossover league. A completely, just a game where you play for fun. LeBron James. It's here on my hometown in Seattle. Jamal Crawford, keeps it up. There. Plus, I know that Derek Favors should have something to do with it. Right? He has to. I think he is doing something with it. He might not. Come on, make this easy for me. Good. What? Has he even played a single game? It just says that he hasn't played a single game. Okay, so apparently I was wrong. But this OKC team, they're not that bad. They put up. What did he put up? Okay. How do you score 37 points and you lose a game? He literally scored that much. I'm gonna try and make it a little bit more bright for you guys. No, that's way too bright. Let me just bring it back down. Sorry. Oh, man. Somehow I'm messing it. Yeah, it's a little bit darker. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so this is an amazing note. What in the world is Keegan Murray putting up? I'm just curious, man. Oh my gosh, if my mouse can actually move. Good. Yeah, and I'm very tired. I'm very sleepy. It was a busy day for me. I had guests coming over. That's why it's so late. Keegan Murray. Murray stats. "32, 13 points, not 32. 13 points, 4 rebounds, 1.4 assists, and 1.8 steals and blocks." Okay. Slash blocks, I don't know. Is it and blocks or? I think it's and blocks. Because why would anyone combine the steals and the blocks and put it up? Then, centers would average, one steal slash blocks. But that's it I have for today. Good night, sleep to all of the people from every single place in the United States. Sleepy. Okay, thank you for watching today, and bye.